how to use Snapchat Web, quick guide to use Snapchat Web. If you're looking for a quick guide to use Snapchat Web, just open your browser and go to web.snapchat.com, which is the official way to use Snapchat on web. Now, if you're not logged in, it will ask you to log in, so make sure you do that. And when you log in, you can enable notifications and other options as well. Once you've done all that, you can see right off the bat, we will set this option. Now we can watch spotlight videos on the right hand side. You can see we'll be able to watch spotlight videos and share them. We can click the camera to send snaps, which means if your laptop or PC has a webcam, you can do that, and you can even send snaps. As you can see, you can talk to somebody. So if you have someone over here, you can just select them and you can simply send them any type of message that you want to send. And you can also call that person if you'd like. You can view that person. You can add new friends by clicking on the add friend icon. You can search for a friend. You can also click on the settings icon from the top left for the turning off the theme options, for turning off sound effects, turning on notifications, and contacting your help center or going through your account settings. So these are some of the ways that you can use a Snapchat Web. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.